All right. What's going on, guys? I figured I would make a little video here. So it's common problem in these Dodge third gens that the climate control lights, they actually get burned out or whatnot. I've already kind of started the process, but I'll kind of give you an update of what I did. So in order to take this center piece out, there are two bolts underneath this piece here. Right above the center console in this area up here, one on one side, one on the other side. There's 7mm bolts. This also a Phillips head as well, but I just used my little 7mm wrench I got in my socket set or whatnot. Now I ordered these lights through Amazon. They're actually LEDs instead of the actual bulbs. They should last a lot longer and should be brighter. So, but it is a little bit of a pain to take this piece off. The easiest way, honestly, is you're going to hurt your fingers a little bit. So if you got some tough man hands, grab right there and pull nice and easy. And it'll pop loose, then go down a little bit, pop loose. And just kind of work your way around the panel until it comes completely off. You'll have to bring this little lever back to let it slide. And it just kind of got it hanging back there. Now, you can see that the controls are right here. Unclamp that, unclamp that. And then on the back side, there's some screws. Which I don't even know. You may not even have to take those off, but let me just pull this out and we'll kind of walk through it together because this is my first time doing this. So let's check this out and see how it works. All right, y'all. So I got this control box out of there. There's 4 screws there, and there that hold it onto the back side of that. And there's 2 connectors. This connector here actually came out pretty good. This one was stuck in there pretty good, so I had to really manhandle that and I got it off. But anyway, so to get these bulbs replaced, there's 3 bulbs here, here, and here. And just use some needle nose pliers. They don't have to be the bent ones. Just get in there and turn them. And then the other ones just twist in and turn in. Alright, well, let's get these bulbs put in and go from there. Alright, so I found it way easier. So it's really it was easy to get them out of that little section there. But it's a pain to replace them. So there's a Phillips head bolt right there. Get this thing to focus here. Phillips head bolt there. Another one right there. And just go around and get the tabs. And what it's going to do is going to release this panel right here. Alright. Releases the panel. So you can actually get them in there and twist them in there by your fingers. Because it was kind of a pain to do it with these right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. So anyway, just do that and you can clearly see. Look at this one. This one was on its way out too. It was actually turning. If I can get this thing to focus, jeez, there it is. It's burnt out completely. But anyway, just take that little panel off. It ain't nothing but 2 more Phillips head screws, and then you have access to this where you can actually drop your LEDs in there. So anyway, yeah, give that a shot. Works much better. All right, y'all. So these LEDs that I bought were a pain in the butt to actually get in. After pushing down, twisting, I finally just grabbed these needle nose pliers here, went on both sides, pushed down, and then twisted, and believe it or not, I actually twisted right in. So, little secret there, if you buy the LEDs, yeah, I guess, yeah, they're just a little bit thicker on the plastic pieces, but anyway, it twisted right in as soon as it did that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this white back piece put back together and the screws put back on and see if it works. Alright, y'all, it actually works. I'm telling you, this camera phone is not working for crap today, but anyway, they definitely work, for sure. Awesome. Yeah, the right bulb on that far right one there wasn't even on at all, so it's going to be nice to actually see what I'm changing it to. Well, let's get this thing buttoned back together. Alright, y'all, well, let's see what the final product looks like. What? Yes! It is so much better. Like I said, you couldn't see any of that, and that was halfway gone. That was so much dimmer. So definitely LED bulbs. I ordered them through Amazon. And let's see if I can get you the part number for you. Alright. That's who makes them. There's your part number. It came with 4 LEDs, but you only need 3. But yeah, there it is. Go figure, made in China. Everything made in China nowadays. But anyway, overall, it wasn't that bad. That was kind of a pain to pop that loose. So pull from up there. Before, make sure you take these 2 bolts out. I'm sorry, there, one here, one there. Take those 2s out first, okay? Then pull from there and work your way around. All right, take this whole panel off. There's 4 screws. Remove that. Unplug those 2 things, the connectors. Unscrew 2 Phillips head screws that holds the white panel to this piece here. Okay, and gently pry around where the little clips are. That'll gain access. Once you put the bowls in there, they unscrew to the left. Put the new ones in. Grab some pliers. Grab on both sides. If you push down, twist to your right, they'll slide right in. Get everything buttoned back up. Hardest part, honest to God, these 2 screws. Pain in the butt. I don't know why in the world they put them 2 screws right there. But that is the hardest part of this job, is putting those 2 screws back together. But anyway, there it is. It's done. Till the next video. Peace.